So we are day 2 on our haul out. You can see we're still a long way from the ocean. Anyway, one of the things that we got buttoned up while we were on the hard is on my catamaran, the most important tool on the whole boat is this little gem, and that's my autopilot. And it's an older style autopilot from Marina called an X30. It has been bulletproof. We haven't had one issue with it. Nothing. It's just worked so well. It's kind of the most important crew member on the boat is right there. Anyway, so when you are on a passage and you are out for, well, the longest one was 20 something days, if that autopilot goes down, it's going to be hard to sail the boat for any length of time. I tried it. I lasted about 20 minutes and I was starting to go crazy. So originally I was going to put in a second autopilot. I'll show you the autopilot and how it works. It's on the port hull. So there's my X30 right there. Good old girl. This little device here connects to the rudder and shows the rudder position. This unit right here is the rod that goes over and turns the starboard rudder. And then this device here is a hydraulic ram, an LS, and this guy here is my hydraulic pump. So that's the device that's been getting us all the way across. It's been fantastic. But on the starboard side, you will see, sorry, lo and behold, that is the new sensors for my second autopilot. This is my ECU control box. There's not much in that. All the brains are in here. There's 9 different sensors. So this is the new updated version of the Marina. And you can see same setup on the other side. So here's the ram, the pole that comes from the port side, comes over to the starboard rudder. Here's my second ram connection. So this was already on the boat. That made it really easy, as was the holes for the rudder position sensor. And my second hydraulic pump, my second hydraulic ram. If I have a problem at sea with my autopilot, I can just swing things over. I really didn't want to rely on anything, so I wanted to duplicate the whole system. So this is the autopilot control. This is a spare autopilot controller right here. Now if I happen to turn the new autopilot on, it will run from the old controller, and if I swing back to the old one, it will still run from the old controller, which is okay. The reason I have this one here is that if the controller breaks, then I swing over to this controller here. So to get this controller to function and operate, I have I'll have to show you later. I have a manual swing over down here. Basically what it is the bus where this controller plugs into. I take the cable manually out and I put the cable for this one here in, and it's labeled down there. And so it's a complete manual swing over, because I will run this for 2 months and then swing over to the other one for 2 months. Right now I'm running the new autopilot, and I haven't even done the sea trial yet. So that's what I've done. I've installed a second autopilot, and to make the autopilot electrically swing over, I installed a relay and a switch. So let me just get in here. So right now I'm in the port hull with the old autopilot, and this is a relay. So now the power is going to be going right now, and this is a switch. This is a switch, and I just switch it, bing bing, from one side to the other. I've not labeled it yet. I will label it so that the second owner will know what's going on, or the first owner when he forgets. So that's it. I'm happy about the installation. The Marine tech that initialized the system for me found a few other little glitchy problems, and straightened out that, updated all my charts, operating systems, and he did a bang-up job. His name is Hans, if you're in Opua. Knowledgeable guy. He's basically a computer dude that's a sailor, and he immigrated to New Zealand about 10 years ago and started up a business. Anyway, so that's it. 2 autopilots. Feel much better about that. Cool.